Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. In my previous video I had explained you three methods of calculating national income. That is production method, income method and expenditure method. Production method again is divided into two parts, that is total output method and value added method. In this video we will be talking about nominal GDP and real GDP, that is the GDP at constant price and GDP at current price. I am explaining you these two things with very simple example. See, in year 2010, suppose the production of bikes is 10 and the price per bike is rupees 10,000, then it means that GDP is quantity multiplied by their price. GDP in 2010 is 1 lakh rupees. And now suppose after 5 years, in 2015, the production of bikes remains same, that is 10 bikes only. But the prices of bike increase to 20,000 rupees per bike. Now the GDP is 2 lakh rupees. It means the production has increased to double. The GDP has doubled. GDP means the production of the goods and services in the country. So it means the production of the bikes have doubled. Is it so? No. The production of the bikes is same. Earlier also it was 10 and in 2015 also it is 10 only. Then how this GDP increased? This GDP increased due to increase in price. When we take like this is called nominal GDP or GDP at current price, because here we have taken the prices of the current year. That is why it is called GDP at current price. Now see another example. Suppose in 2010, the production of bikes same 10 bikes, price is also same rupees 10,000 per bike. The GDP is 1 lakh rupees. Now in 2015, the production of bikes have increased to 20. But now here in this method, we will take the price of the constant year, price of the base year. So this will be the price of base year. Then we see that GDP is 2 lakh. The GDP has increased from 1 lakh to 2 lakh. The GDP has doubled. Production of the bikes have doubled? Yes, the production of bikes also has doubled. This example shows us the real picture that GDP increases with the increase in price. This is called the real GDP and this is also called the GDP at constant price. It shows us the real picture. So there is only this difference, that when we calculate the nominal GDP or GDP at current price, we take the prices of the current year. When we have to find out the real GDP, then we take the prices of the base year, with which year we are comparing. When we find out the difference between these two, see that the nominal GDP or the GDP at current price is the market value of all the goods and services produced in the domestic territory of any country in an accounting year at the current year's price. While the real GDP is the money value of all the goods and services produced in the domestic territory of the country at the prices of the base year. Second distinction may be the nominal GDP can increase. The nominal GDP can increase with the increase in price, but the real GDP or the GDP at the constant price will increase only with the increase in the production of the goods and services in the economy or in the country. Thirdly, the nominal GDP is also known as the GDP at current price, and the real GDP is also known as the GDP at constant price. One more thing I want to tell you, that is, the nominal GDP is not a good measure of welfare of the prices, people, while the real GDP is the good measure of welfare of the people. So this is the difference between the real GDP and nominal GDP. In my next video, I will be telling you how to convert the real GDP into nominal GDP and how the nominal GDP is converted into real GDP. Of course, I will be telling you in next video, I will be telling you about how the GDP is the real measure of the welfare of the people. Till then, goodbye.